Okay, I find memory leaking. Okay, here is the formation point length, formation dot length. Okay. Oh, colliders. Mesh length. Okay, the formation length. We create this, and then from the formation length to the formation length plus the from colliders length, we create another one. And then, oh, whoa, where we are? There's some strange thing going on. That shouldn't work like so. I found one more error. Where is it? Wow. I lost in this. Okay, here. Fix an array. And what we have more? It's words length. I don't need to do this like so. I need another damaged length, and then damaged I dispose. And now I've removed memory leaking in my script. That should work. That should be no errors except of lighting in the scene. Yeah, lighting is terrible. It doesn't matter. So for now, there are no errors. There is no warnings about memory leaking. Yeah, that's work. But where is the camera flying? Yeah, okay. Where is my button? Okay, that's work. And even if it will crash on me, okay, we will see. Does it work properly or not? That works! No errors! Yoo-hoo! How fair! I'm fixing this problem. I'm so happy. Oh, it's another layer. Error. Okay, that's okay. I fixed that. All I have is fix the lighting in the menu.